Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying the file type because that determines the tools and trade-offs. Choose lossless if fidelity matters, lossy if size is king. Once done, install and open 7-zip for archives or Handbrake for video. These are efficient defaults. Make sure to duplicate the original and work on the copy so you never overwrite the master. Then run an initial fast pass. Archive with max solid block for 7-zip or use Handbrake fast preset to gauge achievable reduction. Now you perform the heavier reductions. For video, transcode to H, 265 or AV1 and reduce bitrate while keeping perceptual quality. Reduce resolution only if acceptable. For images, convert to AVIF or WebP and set quality around 75 to 85% while enabling chroma subsampling to save megabytes. For archives and other data, enable large dictionary sizes and solid blocks in 7-zip. Deduplicate and remove unnecessary files. Once tuned, run a benchmark pass to compare size versus visible quality loss. Finish by validating the output. Play the video, inspect images at 100% and compare checksums to ensure the copy is intact. If you still need smaller files, trade more quality for size, lower bitrate, stronger compression, or crop/remove non-essential content. Make sure to keep the original backup and note the exact settings that achieved your target so you can repeat the process. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup, then apply changes incrementally to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.